Hello dear Bitcoin traders, welcome to the analysis on Bitcoin on 6th February 2018. And now the Bitcoin is showing another descent, and the Fibonacci retracement now I have taken is from the recent high, that is at the level of 3,455 levels, to the level of 3,355 levels, where the market has where the Bitcoin is rotating within that particular range as of now. Bitcoin is showing a movement downwards below the level of 3,350 levels. Usually now Bitcoin is showing a movement below the level of 3,382, and now currently at the level of 3,367 levels, where the market is currently consolidating around the level of 3,366 levels, which is the Fibonacci retracement as of now. See, the technical analysis is holding so good for the market, for Bitcoin, and it is holding this resistances very well as well. It is holding on to the supports very well as well. So the supports what we are actually looking for now currently is around 3,363 levels and around the level of 3,355 levels, and of course the level of 3,343 is the level of support we are actually looking for the Bitcoin to see. If the Bitcoin goes below this particular level, then the first level of target we will be actually looking for is moving this 38.2% in the Fibonacci retracement below to the 0% level, which is called as a Fibonacci projection, and that becomes our first target. So if we move this 3382 below, then we'll go to the level of 3342. So we have 40 points down move possible if 3342 is barred. If 3342 is barred, the next level what we are actually looking for is 3302 levels. Mark my words, this is the target we are actually looking for if 3342 is barred and goes below there. So now the DM, the positive DM, has shown a great movement, and see from the level where the market almost fell to the ditches and it went all the way bottom, the lowest level being 3363. When the positive DM moved higher, then the level was 3376. So almost around $30 is what the positive directional movement has shown after it has given a signal of positive buying in DM. So as of now as well, let's see, the Bitcoin actually collapsed once more again to the level of positive DM, and it came to the level of 3365 and afterwards went above again to the level of 3368, and now there has been not much movement as of now. So again, it is possible that when the positive DM comes to the level of 10 and goes higher above the level of 20 and 30, there will be huge movement in Bitcoin as of now. So the level we have to watch out for is 3355 as a support. Now the market may take resistance at those levels where there is Fibonacci retracements, which is around 3381 levels, and next 3389, 3394, 3400, 3410 and 3414 levels, and 3426, 3429 levels are the resistances we have to watch out for. So as of now, Bitcoin is in a downtrend, and if the Bitcoin goes below the level of 3342, then the next level we have to be watching for is 3402 levels. If that is also taken, we will have to see what will happen in the future session as well. Let's hope that Bitcoin recovers from here onward, and let's see if the Bitcoin can again go up to the level of 3350 and above. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy Bitcoin money making.